Hello, 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 and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. Uh, this is the introduction of Wyckoff, RD Wyckoff in 21st century. So, in this particular course, we would be those traders who are Wyckoff schematic, deal with this phase analysis kind of thing. Like the many traders are caught up in whatnot to get the idea of the market, whether the market is going to go like downwards or whether the market is going to go upwards. So to help with this one, I have developed indicator that is accumulation and distribution version 194, which gives us like when it comes to a up movement, it will give us a creek, and when it comes to down movement or after a distribution, it will give us a ice kind of situation, and after an accumulation, it will give us a creek kind of situation. So wherein we can plan for an up moving trade, and from here we can plan for a downtrending trade. So having said that, based on this premise, because many people are stuck or held up in this one, doing analysis of springs, like testing, support, and secondary test, tertiary test, and then spring. So to get this thing, I have made indicator wherein we would be getting, in a certain nutshell, we would be getting this creek and the support, this resistance, and the ice, so that we will get opportunity at this particular point for short selling, this particular point for short selling. We would be getting an opportunity at buying at the bottoms and as well as selling at the pullback of creek. So this is the introduction of what I'm going to teach in this 5 days course based on this tool. We'll not we'll skip all the phase analysis, which is immaterial and illogical and inconsistent in nature, because the indicators which I have developed are purely focused on giving us consistent rates, though they may get they may give us trades which are like less frequent. Less frequent means higher risk to reward trades, and that is good for us. We don't have any problem in taking higher risk to like higher rewarding trades compared to taking consistent trade or not consistent trade with a, what can you say, an understanding of it. To now, without any further ado, let's start. This is an introduction. So now in this course, I'll be discussing about version 155. That is this tape reading toolkit. This is based on Wyckoff tape reading uh, logic. After that, in this course, I planned to give version 187, but it has been replaced by version 194. And this is an accumulation and distribution. Just as I said, it will give you a level wherein either you can plan the it will act as a like mm, a resistance for, or either you can say ice in the both the ways, either resistance or either ice. When it comes in bottom, it will act as a support as well as jump across the creek. And in this course, I'll explain what is FTI, falling through the ice, FTI, and what is jump across the creek. This is the course purely dedicated to accumulation and distribution and practical application of how to trade based on this one. So this is the second indicator. Third indicator is all-in-one volume, Wyckoff all-in-one version 185, which comes with a trailing stop loss, a ribbon with high volume, low volume, or normal pullback, and so on. So, like for example, we we are watching at XAUSD on a 5 minute, 15-minute time frame, and then it also comes with this micro level, higher time frame, and trading time frame. This will give you whether the market is in a downtrend or in this particular time frame, which side the prices are going. On 15 minutes, we are on a 15-minute, prices are going or prices are expected to go downwards. As soon as it starts moving upward, it will plot to change its direction. So this dashboard helps us in planning a trade based on if your 15 minute is going upwards, if 5 minutes going upwards, 15 minute is also aligning to go upward, and your H4 and H daily is in up move, showing up move. That means we can plan for an intraday trade based on higher time frame support, a confirmation. So by doing so, we would go for a buying opportunity, and we will talk about this in detail when it comes to the further sessions of this particular course. So, like for example, this is what my main object, my main uh, one second, let me set up the chart. My main intention behind taking today's session is just for introduction. Like we have got drawn, you can say this would act as a support, or either this would act as a jump across the creek level. Okay, so now price went upwards, came back. If this is support, now support in what terms? Support in accumulation terms. This is an accumulation taking place over here. And then again you can see price getting revolved around it. That means this is reaccumulating. That is it is reaccumulating again over here. And then after that you can see a higher risk to reward trade, wherein I don't remember like one second, let me put up the I'm just showing the potential. It doesn't mean that every time you would earn this much of profits. This is what the bull run was for this entire day, for this entire few days or something. This was the same day. It is 7.63, 1 is to 7.63, and still it is going upwards. And if I see from this particular point, this was the level which formed at this particular point, 2630, 2630. Again, it is 1 is to 1.8. Now, after that, you got another selling opportunity. I'm just coming back to just talking about uh, the real meat and potatoes that everybody wants to. This is what price action is doing. I'm expecting price to come back at least to this level, which happens to be 2588 something around. So this is a major accumulation and Wyckoff distribution. So this was the distribution which has taken place over here. This entire price action was a distribution, and this entire price action was an accumulation. And based on accumulation, price started rallying, and based on this distribution, price started falling down. So now, if we see here, we got 1 is to 8, and here we got 1 is to 12. So wait for the right opportunity to come, and then you can swing your mm, trades accordingly. Let me see one example. FCPO H025. This is a small market. So now, see, this is an accumulation area. This is an accumulation. Every time price is coming back, bouncing back, coming back, bouncing back, coming back, bouncing back. So here got opportunity, again an opportunity. Here was a spring, which we are going to discuss in this particular training. Actually, sorry if I'm bad. This training was I planned it 3 days before, but due to some technical issues with TradingView and other some technical problems at my end, it got delayed. And there are some people are fortunate enough because of the delay. I was not going to take any new students, but some student got opportunity to get absorbed into this course. So again, if you feel if anybody wants to join, they can join. We are open for, like, if you feel free to join us till tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But after that, I'll not be issuing any indicators or any videos. So this is a spring on a, what do you say, 15 minutes or half an hour. Then we have this kind of price behavior. Then pull back and then came back and then testing it. So everything has to be traded in a very cautious and a very practical way. Even if you come down to 1 minute, once again, let the chart get populated. I think why it's not. So here, for example, I'm just showcasing this thing. In this course, you will learn this is the breakout. This is accumulation phase being price been identified, price broken out, tested, and then see the journey. It ended till here, this particular point. Here it has started. This is the entire. Now you consider this to be a support. Now it has become into a ice. So once ice is broken, what will happen? It is broken down, and once ice is broken, it has been tested. Price fell. Here you can see it is acting as a resistance. You should look out for us up thrust over here. We got an up thrust over here, and price went downwards. We got a spring over here. Price went upwards. So that is how you have to plan things, and it is low risk, high rewarding trades. I'll not this in this small session. I'll not get into that thing, but this is how you can plan your trades. I wonder why it's not coming in 1 minute. It was there on 3 minutes. So I hope you people will, whoever has enrolled in this course, would enjoy this training, would training and would be able to make money in a good perspective. Like for example, this is a jump across the creek kind of a level or a distribution formed. So here either it would act as a FTI falling through the ice or either as a resistance. But here it acted as more than that. As you can see, now it is acting as an ice. Now it is acting as an ice. Now, if this is the true potential, then it will come down at least to this particular level. So please keep me updated about this one. 445 should come up to 4450, around 4450. So that's it. If you want, you can join this course. This is a very eye-opening course and very you will if you are fed up with phase analysis, schematic, phase analysis of Wyckoff doing this and that. Like for example, look at the beauty. This is the accumulation point. Test, spring, then price went upwards. So only one side has which you have to catch for. Rest of the part is already been taken care of. And this levels also act as a future supporters, future uh, distribution and accumulation points. So before reaching this one, it has already started distribution over here and price went downwards. So apart from this, if you want to buy additional version 196 version, which comes with minor accumulation and distribution, which is a different indicator which I designed. So you can opt for that one also with this course. So please, this was an introduction session, and definitely you'll enjoy this video and make a lot of money and enjoy trading. And keep me, whoever is trading on FCPO, please keep me posted about. I like to see price coming back to this particular level, 4450 something. If this is the case, then at least it should come up to this particular level, touch 475. Okay. So bye bye from my end. So this is all what you're going to learn in this coming 5 days. Today was the introduction. I'll understand, try and make you understand what is the conventional schematic and why people are running after it. And once you're done with it, I'll bring you on my indicators, which are purely based on accumulation and distribution criteria studies of Wyckoff. Whatever things I have developed, they are improvised, adapted, and they are 21st century indicators. They are not. If you want to see the normal phase analysis, we are done with this thing because that thing is not working. So to we are catching the idea of this schematics, and we are trying to bring a price level wherein there is an accumulation or distribution or reaccumulation or redistribution going to take place. So please, if you want, you can join us by tomorrow. I guess I said it earlier, na? By tomorrow or by tomorrow we would be closing down this thing, and it is costing around like USD $350 for the course along with the indicators 94, 155 version, and 185 version. So hope you people might enjoy this video, and looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye bye.